Teryn and welcome back to my channel. If you've been here before, if you're new, I make a lot of skincare focused beauty content as well as fashion and life content. If that interests you, please be sure to check out my other videos, like this video, and subscribe. In this video, I want to give an update on how I've been doing since I started taking Spironolactone. So yes, I did end up taking Spironolactone. I've been taking Spironolactone for about 2.5 months now, and I would say that overall my outcome has been pretty good. I posted a video on why I was hesitant to take it. If you want to take a peek at that, I had various reasons why I was nervous about taking it, such as irregularity with my periods, but I did end up trying it out. For about the first week or two on Spironolactone, I did feel a little bit lightheaded, and I did experience minimal cramping, especially during my Pilates classes. So while I was exercising, I did feel some of those negative side effects. Neither one was extreme at all. It was just something that I would kind of feel like, oh, that feels a little bit different, but it wasn't as if I needed to stop the class. I would just kind of go at a slower pace or just like take my time and like practice the mindful breathing and all that. But it honestly wasn't that bad. It was just something that I noticed. After the second week, I didn't experience it at all. I'm not a doctor, but I would definitely check in with one if you're concerned about it. I would definitely ease back on my workouts a bit and kind of slowly move back into my routine, especially when you first start Spironolactone, just to see how your body reacts to it, especially in the first few weeks. I take a lower dosage and it's 50 milligrams, and I do not have any plans to increase it or to take it 2 times a day. As far as the side effect of frequent urination, I already drink a lot of water, and I will say that I did notice that I had to go more during the first month or so. But after a while, it became more regulated and I didn't really have those issues. I work from home, so I feel like it's something that's not as noticeable, but I'm not always running to the restroom, which is nice. I think after getting acclimated and adjusted to it, I feel like my body kind of got into the motion of taking it and where I don't have to always be using the restroom. I was prescribed Spironolactone to treat hormonal acne. And as far as my cycle goes and how my skin clears up, I would say that I have noticed very minimal breakouts around that time of the month. Like even before, I would get some breakouts, especially around the chin and jawline and like right underneath here, kind of headed towards my neck. But as of now, like I don't get those types of breakouts. Like I should technically be breaking out right now, but I'm not experiencing that at all. It helps me because it allows me to really focus on my post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation and whatever dark marks and spots that I have from previous acne without having to constantly be kind of worried about and treating present acne. I would say that it's definitely helped me a lot in treating hormonal acne, which is amazing. Another side effect I was concerned about was whether or not my breasts were gonna get bigger, and I have not noticed that they've gotten bigger at all. If anything, they've probably gotten bigger just because of my own personal weight gain. So I don't think it's been caused by Spironolactone at all. And also like with the weight that I have gained, I definitely don't think it's as a result of taking Spironolactone. I would say that if you think you're at risk for any serious side effects or at risk for any potential complications as a result of using Spironolactone, I would definitely consult with a doctor first. And I also recommend easing your way into it when you first take it and kind of taking it slow as you try to get into the adjustment period of taking it. I'm gonna continue to take Spironolactone at this point. As I mentioned earlier, I'm not gonna increase my dosage or even the frequency that I take it per day. I'm just gonna leave it right where it is because I've been having great results. If I see anything else come up as time goes on, or if I decide to not take it anymore, I will of course mention it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope to get better with my consistency of uploads. I will be uploading every other week. And again, I'm very sorry for missing. I feel like it's been 2 or 3 weeks at this point, so I'm really sorry about that. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think in the comments. And as always, please remember to like, share, subscribe, and comment for more videos. Thank you again.